It's a Target day and I gotta pick up my order, which is another bookcase because I broke my bookcase. So that's what we're gonna do. Do we have a lot on the agenda today? No. Are we gonna figure things out as we go? Yes. That's what's gonna happen today. I know I need to pick up this from Target. If I have a second before like my Zoom meeting, I wanna at least go into like one store, Primark, because I've never been into Primark in this area. So I just wanna see what it's giving. Besides that, I have to build the wall today. I do want to hit the gym at some point, and it's possible that I will go out today because I look really, really cute. I'm gonna show you my outfit a little later. And yeah, oh, and I have to take pictures for a brand. So yeah, that's what we have on the agenda, and let's go on Target. You never been to this one? Look how cute this air pump is. I would love to get it because y'all know I ride my bike, but I'm not. It's so cute. I'm sorry. Look at this thing. Excuse me. This is hilarious. Like you get one putt out of this. Just one. One putt and one. Because I don't see anybody getting up after that. That's ridiculous. Look at this bag. I like this bag. It's gonna stay there. It look nice. Not me knocking it down.
This would be nice with those blue earrings, right?
Huh?
This would be nice with those blue earrings.
Yeah, that would be cute.
See, I know how to match.
Sometimes. Sometimes. These are cute. I like these. Oh, now these look fire on me. Well, let me put this like this. Why do I have it out? These look fire on me. Am I gonna get it? No, not today. But I did look cute though. And I can see my fresh face though, my nice skin. And back to diva mode. So there's actually a lot of cute flats in Target. This is actually cute. I'm not a flat girl. I don't like my feet out like that unless it's a heel. But I've been trying to, you know, at times wear a flat. So I might have to buy something. This is huge, but I usually like, not this big. Let me not hit me. But I usually like a flat that covers the foot like this. Actually, I wonder how much this is if they have my size, because I would get this. Because I feel like I do need some sort of blinged out flat. That one, a cute little simple basic one. Like, oh, this is cute. I love the simplicity of this. But it's looking like they don't have my size. I'm a 7.5, I think, in flats. I could probably fit a 7 in some, but these are cute little flats. I definitely said I was leaving, and then I ended up over here looking at flats. As y'all know, I love sneakers. I'd rather wear sneakers, but I don't like my toes out at all. But I've been, you know, trying to, sometimes you can't just wear the slippers or the slippers and the socks. So I actually go for real, for real. I didn't have any sizes that I needed, so that's that. But this is the outfit of the day. This is the full look. First of all, get into these earrings. Fire. Got my rings, my jewelry. It's giving schoolgirl at the top, but then it's like, oh wait, no, rebel. And then it's like, okay, she's from New York. And then my little boho bag. So this is the look. Look at this. Butts on the run. And I need a new butt. Children's book. Let's open this up because,
Wow.
I need a new butt. Mom's got a crack. I can see the mirror, a crack at the back. Oh, it's gonna be a rhyming one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, he's wondering how he cracked his butt. Oh, that's so cute.
Or with the fart.
That's so funny. This is a cute book.
Why not an arty farty book?
First of all, why are you 2 years old naked looking at your booty crack?
You got one with a butterfly on it. This is so cute.
He just woke up one day and was like, what's this back here?
I need a butt.
Little black boy joy. Yeah, I do want to do a funny one. I do want to do a serious one. I wanted to do a black girl one like this.
His dad butt fell off.
Oh, that means he don't got no butt whatsoever. I love this. The black girl. Work. Beautiful. Looks very smart. Yeah. Okay, moving on. I'm actually going to get what I came for and not being distracted anymore. Right? Besides this. Ooh, look at this. Joking. Got my order. And now I need to leave. So I decided to get the black one because I have 2 white and like I have 3 white and 1 black.
Yo.
So I want to do 3 and 3 to make it easier. And today we shall build. So let's go. Alright, so I have 20 minutes in the store. I might play a little game. Might try to throw together a quick little fit in the dressing room just because. Let me show y'all what I'm going to think about using. So I can go with these baggy shorts or more of a fitted shorts because I like how this has like this little thing on it. I don't think I would be able to fit my hips and knees anymore. I'm gonna go with these to be safe. Yes, I'm gonna go with these. This is cute. This is like, it should be a grandma sweater, but it could be really cool at the same time. I like this. Yeah. Am I gonna get it? No, but it's cute. It's cute. This cardigan, on the other hand, I'm gonna get. I have this one already, but I'm gonna get this one because I wore a cardigan in my last video and it was fly, so I'm gonna go get this one. So these are cute. I'm just wondering if I need them. I don't think I need it, but I feel like I don't really have, I probably have 2 pants like this, but no pattern. That's like, just grow up. Put on a sandal or heel and grow up. And I think I need one of these, but I'm not sure. But we're gonna put it in the bag anyway. So Primark does not allow me to wear shoes in here. I mean, Primark does not allow me to bring shoes in here, so no shoes, no hat, no full outfit, but I'm gonna do the best I can do. All right. I'm onto something. Ooh, look at this look. I'm gonna show you that in a separate side-by-side view, but this look definitely beats. It was giving cute, but it also looks like I'm about to praise dance, so definitely putting the accessories back on and zhuzhing it up just a little bit. You already know accessories are mine. White bodysuit. This is oversized shirt that is tucked in the back. It gives it a little vibe. Same skirt. I just push this up like this just to give it texture. And even the socks and the Timbs, everything just goes. Everything goes. Yeah, this is a vibe. And this actually looks really good with a ponytail. I ate this look. Let me know what y'all think. This is another fit that eats. More chill, simple, but still fly. Glasses on, glasses off. This definitely eats. It's a lot. This could have been cute, but the shorts does not fit me right. So it's a no for me. Yeah, it's a no. I know this is my button, but this is cute. This is a vibe. Having the shirt rolled up or having it down. It eats. Yeah. And we have the basic dress that you can wear like this, but it's me. Razzle dazzle time. Yeah. Another look eats. I like how I have this up like that. I could fix it better. I could fix it way better, but this look eats just like this. Brought the bag back. Yeah. I actually really like it with this shirt. If I wear this, if I buy this, I'm gonna wear it with this shirt, to be honest, because this looks cute like this. So this is how it looks with it like this, but still cute. It eats. Alright, this is me being mad dramatic, but this could be a thing. This could eat. It could. Alright, I'm going. So, random change of plans. I decided to take pictures, which I didn't document, but I took pictures and now I'm going to the city to take pictures again. And also I'm gonna be late for it, but I'm gonna go to for like games and stuff like that. Pretty sure I'm gonna be late, but I'm gonna still go. And then I'm also gonna see if the sun stays out. Yeah, if the sun stays out, then I'm gonna go and take pictures out there, because the pictures I took was cool, but if I have a better background, that would be fire. I'm gonna go to the Apple store. Hopefully I make it there. I'm gonna go to the Apple store to get my watch checked out, possibly my phone, get some questions on that. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna see where the day takes me, and I'll see y'all later. So I was gonna show y'all how I take pictures. I was just gonna take a few more, but there's nowhere for me to prop up my phone right now, so we're just gonna skip all of that, and I'll do it another time for another outfit, and y'all be fine, right? Okay, great. Ooh, my iPhone looks really good. Anyway, I didn't finish the vlog, so I guess I'm gonna close this video out here and now. I promise to love faithfully. Anyway, I'm gonna close it out now because I did go to Apple. That took forever to tell me my stuff works, but it just needs to be updated. Come on. Anyway, so yeah, I never finished the vlog. The day kind of was moving slow because I wasted it on that, and now I'm starving like Marvin, and I can walk to find something to eat, or I could just get on the train and then try to figure out something to eat. But I'm hungry. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next vlog.